Jada Kingdom's lawyer sent Lava a letter telling him to remove all false information about Jada Kingdom. Full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel, people. So you must know by now, say Lava have the hottest show up on the net right now. You see what I say, chat and laugh at the big show. All of the live them wanna see, you know what I mean? If anybody have anything, the Vibes Cartel, the girls them, a cause over Vibes Cartel, Lava live. You see what I say, Cheese, Tweb, Rose, everybody. You see what I say, everything. Royal Dog and Dovey Magnum, all I store them a Lava live. You see what I say? And that's how people come and chat with them a chat. So chat and laugh at the thing right now. I hit around the place. You see me? But the other night now, you know what I mean, Jada and this girl had their differences on the internet from the other day. And the other night she go on Lava live and talk. You see me? And from what you will say, Jada post and I say, oh, she going to take legal action and defamation and rare, but I never did that to preach. But people, you know what I mean, are liar actually write Lava. You see me, I said there was a letter sent to Lava on behalf of Jada Kingdom, and Lava post it and impose a caption too. So let's get into what the letter said. So the letter said, posting a false information about Jada Murphy, and in a parentheses, it's a Jada Kingdom. I wish to advise you that I represent Jada Murphy, Jada Kingdom, in the above mentioned matter, right? And then it goes on to say, it is my instruction that you have posted false information about Jada Murphy on the internet. None of this information is true, and the content amount to defamation of character and could cause losses in revenue for Jada Murphy. It is also a criminal offense to post such false information on the internet, and you could be convicted to spend time in prison for it. Right? So, we are going to talk about it a little bit, but let's continue and get through all of it. See? This is a formal demand for you to cease and desist with immediate effect from posting any false information about Jada Murphy. We also wish for you to remove all defamatory information from the internet that you have posted. If you fail to do so with immediate effect, we will have no other option but to get the police involved and have the matter dealt with in the relevant court of law, right? And then it says, best regards, David Clark, attorney at law, justice of the peace, realtor, and him address on St. Andrew, phone number, right? But people, you know what I mean, looking at this thing, I don't know. More I want to take a good look on it. So I say, as an attorney of law, I don't know. Still, there are certain things where I see. I mean, I'm not the brightest person, but there are certain things I say if you're going to sell out a formal letter, you know what I mean, it should be more professional still, to say the least. You see me? So now this make me I wonder if this actually come from Jada lawyer or what. But anyway, I love a post it. You see me? I say, I want to take a look on it. I want to decide for myself. I want to tell me what I want to see any discrepancies and I want to see what me see. You see what I say? But, you know, Lava post it and Lava say, well, him not think so him do nothing. You see me? Because when you know Lava operate, now everybody will watch Lava live, know Lava operate. Lava now say nothing. Lava make people talk and him just sit down, him laugh, or him play him sample of them. And, you know what I mean, him not really say nothing. Which, boy, I don't know it 50-50 because I feel him sure. But if him not say nothing, you can't hold him accountable for saying anything. Anyway, I'm not being judge and jury here. So we are going to get into where Lava caption say when him post the letter, right? So Lava post the letter and him say in a caption, Constitution of the United States of America, 1789, revision in 1992, right? First Amendment, freedom of speech. And now, me go pause before we get into it because Lava is based in New York. So that means if them are going to do nothing to Lava, it's American law. That's why him have the freedom of speech from the United States, right? Even though Jamaica, the lawyer is in Jamaica. There's a Kingston address on the letter, and Jada is based in Jamaica, where I have to say, you know what I mean, even though she travel back and forth. But Lava live in New York, and Lava operate him show, him music, everything from New York, right? So let's get into what it say. I didn't say anything about her. All I do is ask questions. Chat and Laugh is a quarantine live show where I invite guests from all over the world so they can express their feelings of what they are going through in this pandemic times. So Miss Clark, and him put that in parentheses, right? I didn't pass any judgment on your client because I don't know anything about her personal life and we never have any entanglement. So I don't know if her pussy is big. So many people and bloggers talk negative things about, and him tag a bunch of celebrities: Vibes Cartel, Cardi B, Bounty Killer, Rihanna, Squash, and him say also myself, etc. And I never see any one of them filing any lawsuit towards anyone. And him tag again TMZ, Real Star, Tropics, Dear Dream, you know get it, all of the page in, and him say etc. But it's okay to disrespect Ashensia. Remember, your client is not special than nobody. She needs to change her occupation. The block that she used and blocked me from IG, she needs to use one of them and give you a ras lick in your face. And give you a ras lick in your face. Hashtag Fully Gaza, hashtag Southside, hashtag Mobi, hashtag Spanish Town, TG, Grand Spain, August Town, Emeritage, Chat and Laugh, have a buzz. Don't be able to forgive me. I can't help it but for laugh. I know I must laugh too. Yo, the man say, Jada need to use a black and liquor lie in his face. You see what I say? But people want to think now. Let's talk about it. So, when the thing say, Lava in a real serious trouble, obviously not take it serious, because when you hear film response, the man said the liar need to get a lick in his face. You see me? And definitely, he man not take it serious. So the man start out serious. But thinking it all say something different still no people, because you know him pull out the constitution and you know what I mean, freedom of speech and Ray. Some things say him did go formally respond to it, but the way the man end it, you see me, I say show us a love and a concern. You see me? So him know what him know, you know what I mean? Him say him not do nothing. Him just and I know first, cause I always hear people that say, yo, love I get in trouble and Ray when them are coming. The man I say, me not say nothing, me just there. You see me? So him know what him a do. But people more know what I wanna think. Good don't think say him really like theme fall. When you say him host the show and thinking about, wanna tell me now what I wanna think. Like him supposed to be held responsible for what the guests them step on the show about other people. You know what I mean? When you feel like the person was said the thing should not get the letter, yeah. Although we don't know if that person get one letter, you see what I say? We're going to find out that later or whatever. You see me? But when you think say, because Lava have the bigger platform, why him them send the letter too. You see what I say? And him really them a try for all accountable and I say, yo, I Lava make people attack things. You see what I say? Then you can tell me also, more want to know one thing. Jada Kingdom do have a point, like people can really, you know what I mean? You can really silence people if you're a celebrity and people say things about you. Even though, let me be fair here, okay? The girl did say some pretty harsh things. As when you hear Lava mention, say, you don't know if our thing big. You see what I say? So, like that, yeah, that kind of personal and kind of set away. You see what I say? That's very nasty to say about somebody. I'm not going to defend that part. You see me? But I don't know enough people. I don't know the law between, and this is an international case now. You see what I say? This is Jamaica versus America. And I don't want to joke out the people them thing, but you see what I say? I don't know. So if anybody here have any kind of legal expertise and know, you know what I mean, how this case can move forward or if this is just total garbage, put in the comment section and tell us what you know. You see what I say? Make a reason about it and see if Jada they actually have a case against Lava or, you know what I mean, them just can't do nothing, them just a bluff. You see what I say? Now, hopefully me no say nothing in that video if they want to come say, yo, boom. You see me, I say, you go get a letter too. You see me? But people, like I say, get in the comment section, tell me how you feel about this. You see what I say? And if you made it all the way to the end of this video and it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. For all of my long time subscribers, thank you for make the thing work. You see what I say? I make the thing still there. When you big up on yourself and have a wonderful day and night, afternoon, whatever time of day it is where you at.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.